Reports that continue to come in from Maharashtra. A landslide that has now also been reported near Khandala exit that has now forced the closure of the Mumbai-bound lane from the Pune-Mumbai expressway. Now, a large part of the hillside that collapsed near the tunnel exit. Thankfully, no injuries or casualties that has been reported. And as we have been getting you the updates that have now been coming in, well, this seems to be the infrastructure collapse that has now been coming across, that is now been coming from Maharashtra, because there has been let's talk about another disturbing video that has now come in from the Mumbai-Pune expressway, the missing link tunnel recorded around 4 in the morning that seems to have surfaced, showing intense rainfall and signs of rockfall in that area. So that seems to be suggesting, look at the infrastructure collapse there that is now coming in from the Mumbai-Pune expressway, of this chilling video of this missing link. Now, this seems to suggest that has been filmed at around 4 in the morning, the video clearly showing heavy rain and a rockfall that has now been reported. And this is now coming in from the expressway that is usually very congested and heavy with traffic, as people are often using this expressway when it comes to traveling from Mumbai to Pune. Now, this seems to be an orange alert in the latest updates. The alerts that has now been continued on part of the IMD, but the rockfall and the video that has now been reportedly recorded around 4 in the morning. Let's take a look. Richa, coming back to you on that, all of these incidents that have been reported with 16 lives that has been lost in the last 2 weeks, all of these incidents were preventable.
Well, that is right. The authorities are to be held accountable for all these deaths. It may be the incident from the Mankhurd of house collapse, where the authorities could have alerted the residents, or could have done the audits of the kind of houses that are built in such localities. Even now, if we look at the entire area, it has similar kinds of structures. People have built 3 to 4 storage structures, and these are illegal. Now, it's the BMC's and the government's responsibility to keep an eye that these kind of illegal structures are not built, because it is dangerous in the situations like this, where the extremely heavy rainfall and red alert was also issued, and the structures even now can be seen dilapidated condition, and not just these house collapse incidents, but even the tree pruning is in question, because the garden department was allotted 200 crore rupees only for 2026 to 27, just for 1 year. But despite that, even till yesterday, 59,676 trees remained unchecked. They remained unattended by the BMC, which were initially surveyed as dangerous trees, but nobody had taken care of it. The tree pruning is supposed to happen pre-monsoon duration.
Absolutely, because it further exposes when it comes to the mismanagement on part of the authorities, and as far as the civic authority that we speak is that of the BMC, which is not just the richest civic body in the country, but when we talk about Asia as well. Now, let's also in the meantime